Welcome to the second episode of the KYL Blackjack Challenge, South Africa. For those who don't know, each shooter brings 12 rounds to the line. You stage your rifle in the prone position, mag in, chamber flag out. Each shooter gets 2 minutes to engage all 6 targets. Scoring system is as follows: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 points. Hit to move. Hit this target to move to the next target. If you've finished blackjack, you've got 21 points and you've got rounds and time left. You can keep engaging on this 5 centimeter gong, and each time you hit it, we will add 21 points to your score. So we'll also have a leaderboard. I will show it up here. And today we've got a brand new shooter. He had no experience before any whatsoever in long range shooting. I brought him out here today. He wanted to do this blackjack challenge. I'll introduce you to him. Welcome, Jason.
Hendrik, thanks for having me.
Welcome to episode number 2. Jason is new to the shooting world. He had a chance this morning to shoot a bit of long range. I introduced him to a rifle, took him out of his comfort zone, the gym, and brought him to a real challenge. So Jason, tell us about the setup you're using today.
It's not mine, so I'm gonna read from the from the list of specs. So it's a Hauer 6.5 Creedmoor. If I mispronounced the words, excuse me. It's got a 26-inch barrel with an Arkin EP5 scope, APW tune brake on an AIM Delta chassis. Today we're shooting 139 grain Lapua Cinars. Yeah, Lapua brass. I don't know what H4350 means.
H4350 is the powder. Thank you, Ryan.
And then yeah, it's traveling at around 2,700 feet per second.
Jason, so after this morning shooting, what is your expectations?
Maybe 6 points. So maybe 6 or 10 points, round about there. I was very surprised that I managed to hit the targets this morning, but we'll see what the blackjack holds for us.
Okay, Jason, your time will start on the beep.
Tegen wie, Paul?
Okay. Impact! 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 Impact!
Sure, can't even see that next one. What? Oh, sorry.
Miss! Impact!
Yes, see.
Miss. Hey.
Yeah, those last two are difficult, man. Yeah.
Time.
I just netted like something.
So Jason, good shooting.
It was okay. I think I ran out of time a bit there, but I think when you lying behind the scope and you're trying to find the targets, I think with practice it becomes faster. I think I'll make some better points next time.
Exactly. It's not an easy sport.
No,
Long range shooting is for men.
I must say, shooting is much easier online with a keyboard and a mouse.
Well,
Yeah.
I'm glad that we could take you away from your comfort zone, which is in the gym, and do some long range shooting.
100%. Yeah, I'm used to these guns. Now I need to get used to that one. Well,
Thanks for
Hendrik.
coming, Jason.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun. Fucking awkward, nou, weet ek nie.
Daarom asemtaal.
Nee, dit is daarom alright vir my. Gerekord.
Hy het nou begin rekord. So
Okay.
ons kan nou maar kak praat.
Blooper reel.
Blooper reel.
Easy highlights.
Testing 1 2.